What is up, everyone? So today I'm going to show you a really quick way on how to make money in 2023 with emails using the software of Gohighlevel. Now, if you don't know who I am already, my name is Jackie. I'm someone that just decided to start on an online business last in 2022 and have succeeded. And today I'm going to share with you some of my tips and tricks that's helped me succeed and what I see that's going to be the trend for the foreseeable future. Now, if you don't have Gohighlevel already, definitely recommend you getting it, whether you're a business owner or an agency or a marketer, because it is probably the best and most powerful software that's out there on the market right now. I wish I knew about it way earlier. So under the description, you can find this link. I can get you a 30-day free trial along with mentorship as well as a free course. But that's not what I want to talk about today. Today, I want to talk about how I can help you make some money. So this is how we're going to do it. For example, I'm going to show you an email. This is just a random email that I subscribed, and you can see that they have the email format in a professional looking manner that looks something like this. This is just one about some charts on crypto, but it looks much nicer than if you just type in a random email. And I'm going to show you what's available in the templates for Gohighlevel. So right now I'm in my Gohighlevel, and I'm simply going to press marketing. Now this is in one of my sub accounts. And once I'm in marketing, I'm going to go and press emails, slide down and press templates. And once I got my templates up, I'm going to click new and then start clicking email marketing templates. Now, just a few weeks ago, they actually rolled out 72 brand new different templates for you to use. And out of these email templates, you're just going to select one. Now you can see these are for people and businesses from all different niches, from chiropractors, tire shops, barber shops, hair salons, anything that you can imagine. You click select, and then we're going to go continue. And as you can see, this actually looks amazing. The text is quite clean, the font is nice, the coloring is nice with the background as well. So essentially all I need to do is just go in, change in their logos, change a bit of their text with their business names, swap out a few images. You can even add different buttons. It's literally just a drag and drop. It's so easy. And what we can do is through emails, what it does is it helps reinforces the mind of their customers. It might be a month or two down the line where they haven't got a haircut and an email pops up, and that just reminds them saying, oh, that's right, I'm due for a haircut. Let's go to this place that I've been to last time where I found it was really good. Because normally people think that emails have really low conversion rates and they don't work. But in reality, for a lot of these local businesses, it does work very well. And the reason because of that is we're actively going to our customers' front, and by sending an email to them, it creates a little bit of a reminder in their head saying, hey, that's right, that's a reminder, I need to go do this. So now because they saw your email, they're more likely going to go to you for a haircut or a physio or to change their tires. And how we're going to make money with this is you can either sell your services as a monthly retainer, that's one option, but the other option I would actually say is you set this all up for them completely for free and you charge per email. Now, you can set this up in Gohighlevel where for each email they send, they might have to pay you 2 cents. But just imagine if they're sending hundreds, if not thousands of emails for all day long for every single month, that slowly starts to add up. So on average, for each of my clients, they pay me around $100 each month for the amount of emails that they send as a local business. Now, $100 might not sound like a lot, but if you get 10, 20, 30, 40 of your customers doing the exact same thing, and all you're doing is creating an email just like this, setting up a very simple workflow saying, hey, when this customer visits 2 months after, send them this email. That's all you're doing. You set it up initially and you don't even need to touch it. It's literally passive income because let's say 10 clients, that's easily $1,000 a month that I get just by doing nothing. And that's just from emails alone. I have other revenue streams from text, from my retainer fees, from the software that I sell. So this is the beauty of Gohighlevel, where you can actually have so many different streams of income, so that if one day my client says, hey, I don't really want this email service anymore, that's fine by me. I still have 10 different streams of income that keeps me afloat and very comfortable. So I hope this quick video has been able to open up your eyes about some of the potential for Gohighlevel and the email templates. They're doing a really good job in there, so definitely go check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. God bless.